What if the next 21 days could completely change your life? Not by luck or magic, but by rewiring how you think, feel, and act. It takes about 21 days to build a new habit. In just 3 weeks, you can reset your mindset, shift your energy, and start attracting what you truly want with the 21-day manifestation technique. Begin by choosing one specific goal. Not, I want more money, but I earn $10,000 a month doing work I love. Or instead of, I want love, say, I'm in a healthy, committed relationship. Write it down, read it every morning and night. See it, feel it, believe it. Clarity creates power. Spend 5 minutes daily visualizing your goal as if it's already real. Picture where you are, who's with you, and how you feel. Feel the gratitude, confidence, and excitement. Your brain responds to emotion. When you feel it deeply, you begin to think and act differently. Ask yourself every day, what would the future version of me do today? Then do that. Send the email, start the project, apply for the opportunity, make the call. Manifestation isn't just believing, it's becoming. Protect your mind, avoid negativity, and stay consistent. After 21 days, you'll have a new identity. Start today.